Do you know how much home equity you have? Hi, I'm Sherrylle, your Washington, D.C. and Maryland Realtor with SAMSON Properties. Many homeowners don't know how much home equity they have, and the amount may surprise you. About 68% of homeowners have paid their mortgage off or have at least 50% in equity. When you sell your house, some of that equity can be put towards, some or all of that equity can be put towards your next purchase. If you are unsure about how much home equity you have, I can put together a professional equity assessment report for you so that you can get ready to make your next move. My contact information and calendar link are listed in the description box below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.